Host, energetic and serious. Lightbulb, did you know that cybercrime costs the global economy over $1 trillion every year, and banks are the #1 target? A single sophisticated AI-powered cyber attack could wipe out millions from customer accounts in seconds. In today's video, we'll uncover how artificial intelligence is transforming banking security, both as the ultimate shield and as a potential weapon. By the end of this 30-minute deep dive, you'll know exactly how banks are using AI to protect your money and what you can do to stay ahead of the next digital heist. Host, welcome back to the channel, where we decode the future of finance and technology in plain English. Think about it. 10 years ago, most of us visited a branch to deposit checks. Today, your phone is your bank. Convenient? Yes, but also a magnet for hackers. I still remember when a friend of mine had his account drained in minutes after clicking a fake email link. That's when I realized that in 2025, the fight to protect our money is a high-tech battle, AI versus AI. Stick with me, because in the next 30 minutes you'll get a crystal-clear understanding of how banks deploy artificial intelligence to detect fraud, stop cybercriminals, and secure digital payments. Plus, you'll learn how you can protect yourself in this new age of financial warfare. Host, to understand today's AI-driven security, we need to look back. In the early 2000s, most banks relied on rule-based fraud detection. Simple if-then checks like, if a transaction exceeds $10,000 in a foreign country, flag it. But cybercriminals evolved. Phishing attacks, deepfakes, and identity theft skyrocketed. According to the FBI's 2024 Internet Crime Report, financial fraud losses hit $12.5 billion in the U.S. alone, up 80% in just 5 years. Enter AI. Machine learning algorithms can now analyze millions of transactions per second, spotting patterns humans can't. Global investment in AI-powered financial security is expected to exceed $20 billion by 2027. This isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a global necessity. Banks from New York to Singapore are racing to stay ahead of criminal networks using the same AI to attack. AI for fraud detection. Host. Let's start with the most visible battlefield, fraud detection. Lightbulb case study. MasterCard's AI-powered decision intelligence system. It analyzes every single transaction in real time, considering hundreds of variables, location, device, spending history. Within milliseconds it predicts, is this transaction normal or suspicious? Here's why AI wins over old systems. It learns from billions of transactions, like a seasoned detective that never sleeps. It spots subtle patterns. Maybe a card used in London normally buys coffee at 8 a.m., but suddenly it's making a $5,000 purchase in Tokyo at midnight. And unlike humans, it improves with every transaction. Compare that to the old rule-based approach. AI is like upgrading from a basic lock to a biometric vault. AI in biometric security and authentication. Host. Now let's talk about how you log in. Banks once relied on passwords, easy for hackers to guess or steal. Today, AI-driven biometrics, like facial recognition and voice analysis, are the frontline defense. Thinking face AAP Sok Rahi Hong. But can't someone just use a photo or a voice recording? That's where AI shines. Advanced algorithms detect micro-expressions, heartbeat patterns in your face scan, or subtle variations in speech that a simple recording can't fake. For example, HSBC uses AI-driven voice ID that recognizes more than 100 unique voice characteristics. Even billionaire investors are adopting these systems to protect high-value accounts. In short, AI isn't just guarding the vault, it's guarding your identity. Predictive cybersecurity and threat hunting. Host. Third, AI isn't only reacting, it's predicting. Magnifying glass tilted left. Imagine a system that hunts threats before they strike. That's predictive cybersecurity. AI models scan dark web chatter, network traffic, and historical attack patterns to forecast where hackers might attack next. Pros. faster response times, automated detection of zero-day exploits, 24/7 monitoring. Cons. If AI models are poorly trained, they might flag false positives, or worse, overlook new attack methods. Woman detective quick story. In 2024, a major European bank stopped a multi-million euro ransomware attack when their AI noticed subtle anomalies in network activity days before the criminals launched their malware. That's like predicting an earthquake before the first tremor. Host. Fast forward to 2025 and beyond. What's next? Experts predict that by 2030, 95% of digital banking security operations will involve some form of AI. But here's the catch. Hackers are also using generative AI to create sophisticated phishing emails and deepfake voices. AI-driven attacks could be so fast and complex that even AI defenses struggle to keep up. Warning: what if an AI learns to bypass every known safeguard? A single breach could trigger a global banking crisis. That's why regulators are pushing for stricter AI governance, like Europe's AI Act and US federal guidelines for financial institutions. The arms race isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. Host. To wrap up, AI is now the guardian of our money, detecting fraud in milliseconds, authenticating identities with biometrics, and predicting attacks before they happen. But the same technology can also be turned against us. The lesson? Stay vigilant, use multi-factor authentication, and keep learning about the tech that protects your wealth. Light bulb memorable takeaway. In the digital age, trust isn't just built, it's coded. If you found this deep dive valuable, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly breakdown of finance and technology. And tell me in the comments, do you trust AI to guard your bank account? I'd love to hear your thoughts.